Hey there, and today we're going to be mending a hose, and I'll show you what we have here. We have a coupling, a hose metal coupling to bring a hose together. And I have a straight knife here and a pair of scissors that I'm going to actually use the scissors today, and then I have a flathead screwdriver. You can get these hose couplings at just about anywhere, Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's. I'll leave a link in the description for you if you want to order it on Amazon as well. But let's go ahead and get to the hose. Now there's nothing wrong with this hose. I just want to shorten it, and but you could use this technique for a hose that has a break in the middle. Maybe it just continues to crimp up on you and render the hose useless to you. But don't throw the hose away, especially if you paid a lot of money for it. If it's a big hose, this is definitely worth the cost. These hose couplings are only a few dollars, anywhere from $2 to $3 up to $4. You can pick them up instead of buying a whole new hose for $25 or whatever you paid for it. But definitely check the cost. If it's a cheap hose, then you might as well just buy another one if you're gonna continue to use a cheap hose. But if it's an expensive hose, definitely you want to look at using a hose bender, because it's not that difficult. So you can see here, I just cut out a section of the hose, and I'm going to be joining them together with the hose bender. It's a brass hose bender, so it just slips right in here. Not very much effort. You can see my son here, he's holding the camera, and he's just doing a great job. I appreciate that. And you slide over the little band here. Take your flathead and you tighten it up. Took me a little bit to do it just because I wasn't ready, but go ahead and join the second part here together, and you tighten it up. And you can do this as many times as you need to get it right, but these little suckers will definitely tighten down on the hose and join it together. And I didn't have any leaks after this, and I'm happy with the results. It got that extra amount of hose out of the way so it doesn't stop up on me. A few more turns of the screwdriver. I'm just determined to stab my fingers with my screwdriver. And that'll pretty much get it done there.
Not too bad though.
Show you the end results here.
Show you tight.
A little more tightening. Good close-up of my hand there. There you go. Alright. And the hose is now joined together. So if you had a leak or you needed to make it shorter, that's how you do it. And
cut this again
look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.
Take a little bit of slack out
Have
of it.
a good one.
But I'm going to call this done. I'm going to turn the water on.